Karkhana shna debilat ke MCCL ke bala jinyo kum ka Karkhana ke ba aikam ai jam ki pat ba kala tron Hynrei kalami thamai ka weipat ka Karkhana ke ban aikam ki pat ba ka sora ka ba yaine bat kata ka de ka kam Jngohkai u menteri ka tanat Jngohkai ka jala u ba polling do ulong ya kani ka jingalang penkup buram syaki kenhun ba kentiu ka kam Jngohkai ha ka jala ka bala penlong ka outlook traveler lembat ka tanat Jngohkai ha ka sengi balang ka at phonyo tarik nailur araja at phaulai State Convention Center Shillong. Ulong baka Karkhana dobilat MCCL kala jot ha ka bala benda wat ya kitiar kitar Hynrei ka kam Jngohkai ka Ieng bat ka nang kieu hadu kini kisngi. Shwaya kani u Commissioner and Secretary ka tanat Jngohkai ka jala u Vijay Kumar ulong baka soora ka de ka jaka Jngohkai ka ba paunam ha ka perthei bat ka Karkhana kam Jngohkai ka de ka ba thamai ka ban ai kam yaki pat ba nong shong shnong.
Malam lu wakan lu kadai ban generate ya kan employment ban community ba tourism kan long no ka wen nagila ai ka ma jam na menta ka dega juk jungi menta.
That Meghalaya tourism has finally arrived, and I think that deserves all the plaudits we can get. Just think of a day when Kongthong village is recognized at the national level. 2 weeks back, the Honorable Prime Minister of the country visited Meghalaya store in Delhi and saw for himself the various weaving, the ringyas, and spent some time in it. And on a day like today, where in the morning I had inaugurated the Shillong Book Fair, which came back to our capital city after a gap of 7 years, sponsored by the National Book Trust. And at the second, it's entirely up to us whether we decide to be victors or we decide to be victims. And I am happy to say that this room is full of victors, people who have not complained about the impediments, problems, and various challenges that you meet, but people who believe that a small mind can only see problems, but a big mind sees opportunities. Friends, I'm happy that this is the first of its kind in the Northeast, and in fact the second in the country. And today, Meghalaya is poised for even greater heights. But let me come back to one golden rule which says, tell me what are the thoughts that occupy the minds of your young people, and I will tell you what future awaits that society. I'm happy to see that groups from the remotest parts of Meghalaya have been able to make it big. And today, we have a footfall of close to 15 lakh visitors to Meghalaya annually, which is, we have a population of 35 lakhs, and if you add the 15 lakh tourists, and more importantly, we have more international tourists visiting Meghalaya as compared to domestic tourists. Again, another achievement. I will not prolong my speech. I know you've been here throughout the day, but just to get the perspective right. My grandparents were from Sora. They were small and marginal farmers. Eventually, Sora turned into coal mining. Coal mining closed somewhere in the 1960s. Then started, from coal we went into cement production, the MCCL. Today, the MCCL is only selling whatever tools, whatever machines it has those today are being sold as scrap materials. What has survived? Tourism has survived. Tourism continues to thrive. And today, a room in a hotel in Samara costs 10 times the room of what we can get at our Maukasian orchid property. That's the scale, that's the dimension, that's the growth trajectory. So without tourism has arrived in a big way. Our products, turmeric has gone international. Our young people who are in the fashion industry just came back from Milan, Italy last month. Our India again has become a global brand. Our pineapples are being sold across the world. This just shows that all that we needed to do was have focus, have vision. And I can tell you with a sense of pride that today Meghalaya has a government led by Konrad Kesama, which has a vision and which is committed to unleashing the power of our youth and turn them into positive energy. A river that flows but is not being channelized can destroy everything on its way and on its side. But a river that is properly channelized can become a source of power and electricity. That's the vision that we have. And together with each one of you, let us not be complainants. Let us not turn to Paul and say, I have voted for you, where is my peon's job? No, no. The sky is the limit. The roof of the Secretariat is not the limit. As a minister is not a permanent job. How can I give you a permanent job? So let's together script Meghalaya's success story, and with the extra energy that we got today through the recognition both at Delhi and here in Shillong, let's declare that Meghalaya has arrived and Meghalaya will continue to rise further and further. Thank you. Kublai Vithala. God bless.